Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got a 2016 Hyundai Accent. Customer complained about a check engine light. They mentioned also that they already replaced the oxygen sensor, the upstream. Let's verify it and see what the code we have. Okay, we got a history code for a P0031 heater control. It says low. So we gotta do a visual inspection, especially they just replaced. They said they replaced the upstream. So, and then after that, I'm just gonna pull up our wiring diagram and see what we have. So, if it's heater control, could be from the sensor, but they said they put new one there. And we're just gonna verify if we have constant power going into that sensor, and we have ground control from the PCM, and we'll see from there. So we got this freeze frame. So you can see there that the engine speed at 2700, vehicle speed at 132 kilometers per hour when the code triggered. So as you can see here in our air fuel ratio, it says 1 there, which is it's the lambda of the upstream. What else you can see here that can give us clue? I think that's it. So I guess we'll just focus on our heater control, the heater circuit of the oxygen sensor. So right now we're under the hood. So as I can see here, I don't know if this is new, I'm not sure that yet, but that's what they said. It looks like the rubber here is new, and someone just did some testing here. So I'm just gonna pull up the wiring diagram and see what we have. So here's our wiring diagram. I'm gonna pull out my mouse. So we got this pin number 2 gray, that's our power going to the heater, and the number 5, that's brown, that's our heater control from the PCM. So we're gonna look for these pins and let's see our voltages there, what's going on. So I hook up our scope there, monitoring our battery voltage and our ground control from the PCM. And as I can see here in our data right now on the scope, it has good ground control. What I can do too is I can try to do a voltage drop between that ground control and see if we have something in there, but I don't think we have something in there because it's clearly pulling to the ground. So I'm just gonna stop this, maximize this. Let me move this guy here, put this in 14 volts, and then the lowest one, that's more or less at 366 millivolts. So I guess I have to drive this vehicle and see, clear the code, drive it, and if the problem is still there. It could be a pin fitment issue too. So I'm gonna do a drag test on that pin, make sure it's good. Other than that, I guess I'll have to drive this vehicle and see. Alright guys, so I just went for a test drive. I know this kind of component needs 2 driving cycles to set. So far all my readings are good. I did my best that I can drive 120. I know that's illegal, but I did my best to just duplicate the freeze frame. We know that we got good control from our PCM, so I don't know if we can find this. I don't know if it's just a pin fitment issue on the sensor itself. I can go to our OBD2 and see what we have there. Let me just get out from here. I'm just gonna go to readiness test. Let's say oxygen sensor heater not completed. So yeah, because I think you need 2 driving cycles. I'm just gonna go to monitoring test results. Let's go to heater monitor bank 1 sensor 1 and see what they say. It says passed there as of now. So yeah, I don't know. I know it sucks that we didn't find any problem on this vehicle. We know we had a history code. So yeah, I think I just showed you guys on how the ground control circuit works, especially using the scope, and how can we see it from positive and it's pulling to the ground. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.